It's war, and we know it. You're out there on your own, fighting a never-ending battle, keeping the grass trimmed, beating back the weeds, and taking punches from pesky pests. But have no fear. Man vs. Yard is here. Together, let's take on these challenges and check out what arsenals we have to choose from to go out there and get with it. Who knows? You just might win next time. Have you ever wondered how lawnmower blades are made? We're going to see how at Oregon Tool. What's going on with all these leaves and grass clippings messing up the yard? Ohio Steel has got an idea on how to make that cleanup job a lot easier. And let's not forget that there are millions of hungry mouths that want to eat up your foliage. Chapin is coming to the rescue with tools to fight back. The first battle we face is just getting the grass to grow in the first place. It takes water. To get that water to those thirsty blades, you've got to have ingenuity and technology working for you. As the inventor of the original impact sprinkler almost a century ago, Rainbird is the brand to look for when it comes to watering your lawn, as well as the surrounding plants and trees. Rainbird has you covered with a number of DIY solutions that save time, money, and water. In one afternoon, you can install an entire in-ground sprinkler system that works off your existing garden hose. Depending on the shape and size of your yard, Rainbird offers various kits that you can easily mix and match. No trenches to dig and no PVC pipes to cut and glue. Everything you need is in the box. Sometimes you may have an existing sprinkler system that you'd like to convert to drip irrigation. Rainbird has that covered with their Drip Line Retrofit Kit. Simply replace the internal sprinkler guts with the Retrofit Kit. Run quarter-inch drip line to nearby plants and add an optional emitter or bug cap. When water pressure is too high, it causes misting and fogging, which wastes water and starves plants. Rainbird solves this problem by offering spray heads with pressure regulation, providing just the right amount of water to each sprinkler in the zone. Another one of Rainbird's solutions to misting and fogging is the R-Van rotary nozzle, which creates larger water droplets that get to their target without being carried away by the wind. R-Van rotary nozzles are hand adjustable, so you can leave your tools in your toolbox. Rainbird's growing line of smart timers puts the power of irrigation in the palm of your hand. Start and stop watering. Update your programs and get important alerts, all on your smartphone or tablet from anywhere in the world. Rainbird even uses local weather data to automatically adjust for rain and other seasonal events, saving you time, water, and money. We highly recommend Rainbird to get that yard going for the battle ahead, mowing. Coming up next on Man vs. Yard, we're checking out how lawnmower blades are made at Oregon Tool.
Grab hold of a legendary DR field and brush mower and put it to the test on your property. Get a DR field and brush mower and get the job done right.
Go online to drfieldbrush.com to request your free product catalog. All models are now on sale and free shipping is in effect. Hurry, this offer won't last.
Cover more ground in less time and waste with Mixes on Exit sprayers from Chapin. Whether it's the nimble 4-gallon backpack or larger capacity ATV mounted sprayers, Chapin sprayers simplify your lawn and gardening challenges. No need to premix chemicals. Mixes on Exit is the 2-tank system that does it for you. Switching concentrates on the fly to spray for weeds, pests, or just fertilize is easy. Simply store what you don't use for another day. See the full line of Chapin sprayers online or at these fine retailers.
Welcome back to Man vs. Yard. Besides our feet and the mower wheels, our next point of contact with the grass battle ahead is the lawnmower blade. Make no mistake about it, this hardened blade of steel needs to be sharp, strong, and reliable. The engine shaft on a typical lawnmower spins at 2,700 to 3,200 RPM, or over 200 miles per hour at the tip of the blade. No doubt about it, the blades made by Oregon Tool are up for this challenge.
Oregon Tool's rich history of innovation began when our founder, Joe Cox, invented the modern-day saw chain. Today, we're known around the world not only for saw chain, but also as a leading manufacturer of blades.
With a drive to invent better ways to cut through tough grass, Oregon Tool developed the original toothed lawnmower blade, now simply known as the Gator blades. Long established as the standard for superior cutting and mulching, the Gator blade's patented design provides superior airlift. Grass clippings are caught up in a whirlwind, blown towards the center of the deck and sliced into smaller and smaller pieces. The precise geometry and increased airflow maximizes efficiency from mulching, bagging, and discharge applications. It's a 3-in-1 blade, ready to meet the demands of any yard.
In our manufacturing plant in Kansas City, Missouri, our Gator blade goes through intensive processes up to 9 different departments. Our first process is blanking, where we take coil steel, we stamp center holes, notches, and stamp the blade.
So the process we just went through, the cutoff or blanking operation, really puts almost every key characteristic into the blade. So for instance, on this Gator blade, you're seeing here's the knot that will actually turn into the teeth that we see that are really profound on the Gator blade. The center hole, we can do a lot of very different shapes depending upon how the blade gets mounted onto the mower. The overall length is what is put into the blade, and that's very critical to the customer. You don't want to have any variation in the length. The actual cut that you see right here, this one's got kind of a round edge, but we can put any sort of different steep angle or flat, more rounded, just lots of different colors. But basically every key characteristic that we have in the blade gets put in here at cutoff and blanking.
Fabricating in-house in our tool and die shop, we use the state-of-the-art technology to do our finished product from blueprint to finished tool and dies. Most of our dies are fabricated from squared tool steel and then heat treated to a specific Rockwell hardness to meet the qualified specifications.
Next is milling, in which material is removed to create the ideal sharpness.
So this is what it looks like after the blade has been milled. And you can see that the edge is again milled to a precise sharpness, so it's not too sharp and it's not too dull. Because we want to make sure it's long lasting and cuts grass very well.
Vision systems and advanced robotics ensure that these blades are made to the high standards expected by end users. From there, the blades are immersed in a vat of boiling molten salt. This maximizes the hardness and toughness of the metal and provides a better cutting performance.
So here you can actually see the transformation of the steel. It actually takes on a different color after it's been heat treated. As I like to describe it, this steel actually, if you were to put it over your leg, you could actually bend it yourself. But now, after it goes through heat treat, we've made it as hard and as strong as we can without it being brittle, that you're not going to be moving this steel. And to make sure, we actually test off of each tree that goes through our heat treating process. So here is where they ground off to do a Rockwell hardness test to ensure that we have proper hardness. And then here, a bend test is performed to ensure that the blade can bend in case a blade were to, say, hit something, a sewer drain or some other obstacle when mowing, but we don't have any cracking.
Each blade is inspected by a laser measuring system to ensure the cutting surface is level.
So after heat treat, because part of the steel has been changed and formed, that we have to make sure that the measurement and the offset of the blade, and the offset is the level of the cutting surface. So both ends of the blade have to be at the same level to ensure that the grass gets cut evenly on both sides. So when it's underneath the lawnmower, you don't have any unlevel cuts.
Another substantial advancement Oregon brought to lawnmower blades is the patented fusion technology for extended durability, keeping blades sharper through tough cutting conditions. The exclusive electro-spark deposition technology creates an ultra-hard layer of tungsten carbide at the blade's cutting edge.
So this is an ultra-hard tungsten carbide coating that's applied to the back side of the cutting surface of the blade. So what that allows it to do is this top surface will wear, but this bottom super hard surface won't wear. So this allows for the cutting edge of the blade to stay sharper longer.
Finally, each blade is power-coated for an extra layer of protection.
The powder coat gets electrostatically applied so the particles are drawn to the metal of the blade, and then it goes up into an oven and it bakes. And when it comes out, the powder coat, it looks glossy. So this is our gloss black powder coat. This is what most of our blades get painted with. This ensures that when it gets to the customer, it's not allowed to rust and nothing bad can happen to the blade before it gets to the customer's mower deck.
Throughout the process, quality control is our chief concern. Our team members perform a total of 26 different inspections, 16 of which are performed at the blanking operation alone. We're testing for balance, straightness, hardness, and many other factors to make sure your lawnmower blade arrives in pristine condition.
To ensure we are providing the best mower blades on the market, we do rigorous testing such as the ANSI B71 impact test, where we rotate our blades up to 215 miles an hour and then inject a 1-inch steel stake into the cutting path. Failure is not an option. As a result of the test, you can see where the impact of the rod hit the blade and the impact of the blade hitting the rod as far as the damage goes, as what it did to the steel rod relative to our lawnmower blade and how it maintained almost a flat cutting edge.
We're here at our Oregon Tool Global Distribution Center in Kansas City, Missouri. From this facility, we fulfill all of the needs of our OEM lawnmower manufacturers.
So when it comes to mower blades you can count on to cut through the toughest grass any lawn has to offer, bolt up that mower with a blade from Oregon Tool. Hang on, don't mow that yard just yet. Man vs. Yard will be right back with lawn sweepers from Ohio Steel.
Grab hold of a legendary DR field and brush mower and put it to the test on your property. Get a DR field and brush mower and get the job done right.
Go online to drfieldbrush.com to request your free product catalog. All models are now on sale and free shipping is in effect. Hurry, this offer won't last.
Sun's up, blades down. You got a lot of ground to cover and zero room to mess around as you turn clippings to dust. Every edge straighter, every cut cleaner. Getting it done right the first time, just the way it should be. Is it easy? Nah, but it's what you do. Oregon, sharper by nature.
Welcome back to Man vs. Yard. So if you think working on a yard is hard, think again. Ohio Steel believes yard work shouldn't be hard work. Their dependable tools help you tackle yard work quickly and efficiently, so you can get the most out of your weekend. Ohio Steel got things started in 1958. as a small steel fabricator in Columbus, Ohio. Creating one ingenious idea after the other in a broad range of areas, they soon expanded operations into multiple facilities with products and services throughout the world. With that kind of expertise to support your battle with the yard, you can rest assured they know how to put the fun back into yard work. Raking your yard is one of the most back-breaking, time-intensive projects a homeowner has. But not if you have a lawn sweeper. The Ohio Steel lawn sweepers come in two different sizes, the 4222 V2 with a 42-inch sweeping path and the 5026 V2 with a 50-inch sweeping path for larger acreage. These lawn sweepers collect grass clippings, leaves, pine needles, nuts, and other lawn debris. Both units are equipped with a 4.5-to-1 gear ratio. Combined with Ohio Steel's patented high-efficiency spiral brush, this provides superior sweeping action at any speed. The drawbar can be easily moved to an offset position for simultaneous mowing and sweeping. A reversible hitch with tethered pins allows use with any lawn tractor without the annoyance of easy-to-lose spacer rings. Once you have filled the hopper bag, it empties easily by pulling the included rope from the seat of your tractor. When you are finished sweeping, simply fold the drawbar and hopper bag for quick and easy storage. When it comes to dump carts, Ohio Steel has you covered. One of the best is their 15 cubic foot poly swivel cart. It's perfect for hauling dirt and other heavy materials around your yard, farm, or estate. The 1000P SD has a convenient foot pedal that activates a patented swivel dump feature for easy unloading anywhere, with a 105-degree radius. The 15 cubic foot capacity bed holds an impressive 1,000 pounds and is constructed of polyethylene structural foam, which is extremely durable, easy to clean, and will not rust. The bed features molded-in stake pockets and divider slots for even greater versatility. Includes a spring-loaded hitch pin with integrated handle for easy connection to any lawn and garden tractor or zero-turn mower equipped with a rear pin hitch. The 4048P HYB has the same convenient foot pedal and swivel feature as the 1000P SD, allowing dumping anywhere in a 100-degree radius. And it can switch between a ball and pin hitch in seconds with no tools. The extra-large 15 cubic foot capacity bed holds an impressive 1,250 pounds. Who wants to walk, play, or ride a mower on a bumpy, uneven yard? The Ohio Steel 24x52 steel lawn roller erases damage to your lawn caused by the freeze-thaw cycle, flattens mole and anthills, and is great for smoothing animal pastures and sports fields. The extra-large 24-inch diameter steel drum holds up to 94 gallons of water, has a maximum weight capacity of 920 pounds, and a rolling path of 48 inches. Keep your lawn smooth and professionally maintained with the 24x52 steel lawn roller from Ohio Steel. Coming up next on Man vs. Yard is the finishing touch every yard needs, with Mixes on Exit sprayers from Chapin.
Yard work shouldn't be hard work. Ohio Steel puts the fun back into yard work with their time-saving attachments. The 42 and 50-inch lawn sweepers collect grass clippings, leaves, and other debris with ease. Ohio Steel's innovative dump carts swivel to unload in any direction and make it easy to haul items around your yard, farm, or estate. Don't forget a lawn roller to help keep your yard smooth and beautiful. Ohio Steel tow-behind attachments are available at Tractor Supply Company stores nationwide.
Hi, this is Larry Grella from Extreme Tools. We offer the biggest, the baddest toolboxes. We offer the best quality, the best innovation. Pros depend on us, and you can too. Our complete series can fit any need, any budget. Nothing beats the EX Pro series. With full extension drawers that use heavy-duty double ball bearing slides with an amazing load rating at 300 to 600 pounds per drawer.
Check out Extreme Tools for yourself at extremetools.com or just give us a call.
Weeds have made it to the front lines, and it is going to take specialized artillery to combat them. Introducing Chapin's Mixes on Exit spraying system. Chapin has been bringing innovation to homeowners since 1884, and its latest takes the praying out of spraying. Most of us use a pump sprayer to combat weeds. Traditional lawn and garden sprayers require you to pre-mix concentrates, leaving the responsibility on you to get the mix right and to not over or even undertreat your yard. And if you don't use it all, what do? Leftover chemicals pose many challenges like cross-contamination from a less than thorough tank cleaning, improper disposal, and most importantly, protecting the environment from unused chemicals. The Mixes on Exit system is available in a nimble 4-gallon backpack for greater flexibility around your property. It makes spraying fun again. Chapin Mixes on Exit sprayers have ample space to label each tank, so you know exactly what's in it. Once attached, it automatically mixes the concentrate with the water as you spray, leaving the water and concentrate left in their separate tanks untouched for storage until your next job. The less you need to touch and mix chemicals, the better. Chapin's Mixes on Exit system does the work for you. Dial in the exact mix ratio for expert results, and it does the mixing while you spray. Reach up to 25 feet with its adjustable nozzle straight stream, or adjust it to a cone pattern for wide coverage. The sprayer handle also comes with a handy locking feature for continuous spraying. Better yet, Mixes on Exit lets you do right for the environment. Change out concentrates on the fly without dumping chemical or cleaning tanks. The backpack provides terrific lumbar support, so the weight of the water and concentrate tank are easy to take with you anywhere in your yard. The pump handle is smooth and effortless to operate and can be easily switched from the left to the right side. For more acreage, bring out the big guns with the larger capacity 15 and 25 gallon ATV UTV models that let you tackle larger areas with less refills. These units mount easily on a variety of vehicles, and in addition to providing the same great features of the backpack units, they also have a battery-operated pump. Just dial in your mixture and you are ready to go. Rip over that poison ivy and get along those fence posts way out in the field. We found the Chapin sprayers to be rugged and dependable. You can be assured that you will be wasting less chemical, getting the mix right, and saving time, allowing you to battle your yard again another day. Rid your yard of weeds, fertilize to make foliage lush, or keep mosquitoes and pests at bay. Take command with a Chapin Mixes on Exit sprayer. On Man vs. Yard, we checked out Rainbird, helping to achieve a more sustainable future through the intelligent use of water. Visit them online at rainbird.com and check them out at all major retailers. Oregon Tool, for homeowners and landscaping professionals, Gator blades are among the best lawnmower blades you can buy. Discover more about Oregon Tool at OregonProducts.com. Ohio Steel. Ohio Steel tow-behind attachments are available at Tractor Supply Company stores nationwide and on TractorSupply.com. To learn more about Chapin's latest innovations, visit ChapinMFG.com or the many fine retailers and e-tailers that carry Chapin products.